Noticing decreased engine performance in your C15? Losing water? Or coolant is pushing out of the radiator? Your Caterpillar C15 may be in need of a head gasket replacement. Minimize downtime and negative impacts to your revenue. Fix your C15 the right way the first time. Install this new cylinder head gasket set for the Caterpillar C15 from Highway and Heavy Parts. Each part is crafted for superior strength and durability to ensure excellent performance and sealability in your C15. Guaranteed for proper fit and function by being built to OEM specifications. Manufactured in an ISO 9001:2015 certified facility, ensuring quality and consistency for your Caterpillar C15. This is a complete head gasket set with all components needed, including the exhaust manifold gasket sleeve assemblies. No need to search for separate components to finish this repair. This kit comes with all the gaskets needed to complete service of your truck. This cylinder head gasket kit fits NXS, BXS, and MXS serial numbers for your C15. Prior to install, clean and dry all surfaces to ensure gaskets seal properly. With technical knowledge, quality products, fast shipping, and unbeatable customer service, Highway and Heavy Parts is the place to get you back on the road. Backed by a 2-year parts and labor warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts, America's trusted diesel engine part supplier.